Welcome to After Effects Animations. Adobe After Effects Animations is really simple. LKIT Learner starts new Adobe After Effects Animation tutorial series. To learn these lessons can be used any versions of After Effects. Let's start the lesson from the beginning. In these lessons series will be discussed Adobe After Effects CS6. When you open Adobe After Effects CS6, you can see the Welcome window. It gives you to open recent projects you have done, daily tips, and be a new composition. I recommend you to refer the daily tips in your leisure time. Or you can close the Welcome window and start from new project. When you open a new window, you can see the empty space. There are a few important palettes view in the After Effects. They are Project Window, Monitor, or Composition Window, and the Timeline. To start the animation, let's create a new composition. To start the animation, let's create a new composition. You can use the Composition menu, or use the shortcut key, Ctrl-N. The project video preset should be selected according to the video deliverables. Later, select any project preset. Once you select a project, you can see width and height automatically. And also the frame rate. The composition needs to set the time duration. You can use the default time it has. Once you create a new composition, you can see a composition footage creates in the project window. And you can see the monitor or the composition, the timeline. Project composition name is good practice to maintain the project well. Customize the composition settings. Go to Composition menu. Select Composition Settings. Or use the shortcut key, Ctrl-K. Use the most appropriate name for the composition name.